In a faraway land, in a town called Zephyr, lived a curious man named Alastor Moody. He was unlike any other, for he had a magical wand. One day, Alastor found a peculiar stone while wandering in the forest. He held it tightly, feeling a strange warmth spread through his hand. Suddenly, the stone began to glow. "This stone is enchanted," Alastor exclaimed, his eyes sparkling with excitement. He quickly placed the stone in his wand, and a magical light emerged. "Now, my wand is even more powerful," Alastor said, twirling it in the air. He cast a spell to make the flowers bloom faster, and in no time, the entire meadow was filled with beautiful, colorful blossoms. Alastor decided to share his newfound magic with the townsfolk. He healed the sick, helped the lost find their way home, and even magically cleaned the town square. However, one day, a dark shadow appeared. It was the evil sorcerer who had been causing trouble in Zephyr. Alastor, afraid but determined, faced the sorcerer with his enchanted wand. "I will not let you harm my town anymore," Alastor said firmly, pointing his wand at the sorcerer. With a wave, he cast a powerful spell that sent the sorcerer running away, never to return. From that day forward, Alastor Moody was hailed as a hero. His wand, now even more powerful, brought joy and peace to the people of Zephyr. And every night, as they went to sleep, they would dream of Alastor, the man with the magical wand, who kept their town safe. As for Alastor, he continued to live in Zephyr, using his wand to help others and spread happiness wherever he went. And so, the story of Alastor Moody and his magical wand became a legend, passed down from generation to generation. And they all lived happily ever after. The end.